Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I recorded a video. I've been busy with work and school. As you can see from my previous videos, my background looks different. This is my daughter's room. I did her room over for her birthday, and this is actually what this video is about. It's going to be mostly like a DIY, show you how I did her room over, how I did her floor over, for me hanging up these affordable pictures to everything. So if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. So now we're doing a home renovation on Ayani's room. She's getting a new bedroom set, so we're doing everything over. All this stuff is getting gutted and thrown away.
What's this?
I don't know. This is your room.
And this is nail clipper.
Yeah. So when you guys see this room, it's gonna look totally different. The floors are getting done over too. And this is the dent we put in the room. I threw a lot of stuff away. Threw away almost 3 trash bags. I gotta take this stuff off the wall. This is going in the trash. I put these pictures up just to see what would they look like. So she's gonna get these pictures on her wall. Definitely gotta clean the wall down. She wrote on the wall like last year, so I gotta clean that. That dollhouse is going out. That chair is going out. This box spring is going out. This stuff is gonna get taken down. And the floor is gonna get done over. Everything that's here, I'm doing it on the floor. Besides my Manny thingy. And this is where I'm at now. Majority of the stuff is clean. I literally just gotta take out like 5 items, which is like the bed, the TV, her toy chest. This mirror is going to my friend. Just making a vanity, and I'm getting rid of this. Again, so I got the pictures up, gotta clean the walls. And I bought the floor, well, tile today. And I'm gonna get this project starting going with my... So hours later, I just got to clean it. The only thing in this room now is the mattress. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna work around it because I literally have nowhere to put it. But I went to Dollar Tree earlier and I got the poster board. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your poster board, because I do rent and I don't want to mess up these floors. You're literally gonna take your poster board and you're literally just gonna, it's super easy. You take it and you just lay it down. And I'm gonna lay the whole floor, it's gonna be in poster board, then I lay my towel on it. So I'm gonna come back when this is complete and show you guys. So I laid some of it on the floor now. So when you're done, it should look something like this. Obviously I'm not done yet, but you guys get the point. I'm gonna do the entire floor. Then I'm gonna come back again and show you guys how to lay the marble down. It's super easy. So I started the process. So all of these are laid down. They're not going nowhere. These I'm doing a foundation just to see. I did buy different sizes. So I got the 12 by 12s and I got these ones, which is 12 by 24. Just to get the room some dimension. So when it's all said and done, the whole floor will be in tile. Hopefully I have enough. Let's hope. But this is it so far. And this is where I'm at now. I'm on my second box. I'm doing the perimeter last. And I'm not going to even touch this corner. I'm still deciding because the furniture's going to hide it. And this is what it looks like, guys. This is my perimeter. I'm doing this spot last because I have to cut the tile to fit it. And it's coming along very nicely. And I cannot wait to the finished look. This is the last step I have, which is gonna go on this wall. It's the mirror that I had and it actually broke, and it took me a long time to do this. So I just came from TJ Maxx and I bought this cute wrapping paper, and I'm actually gonna make this as like a cute little poster frame, whatever. I bought some marble tape on AliExpress, and we're gonna finesse it. You guys haven't seen it, but this is how the room has came along. The mirror. This mirror actually lights up. Super cute. And last, the headboard, which is like my favorite part of the room. This lights up as well. I got this cute, let's take a walk over here. This cute vanity mirror I got from AliExpress for like 13 bucks. It's super cute, USB operated, so it plugs in. And my daughter really loves it. So we're just gonna do this, which is super easy. I'm literally just going to, I should put this on a tripod, but I'm literally just gonna do something like this. The whole mirror. And once this is up and done, I'm gonna show you how it turns out. And this is how it came out, guys. It came out so pretty. So what I did is I went to TJ Maxx and I was just going there shopping, buying stuff I have no business buying, and I came across this. This is actually gift wrap paper, and I thought it was so pretty, and I just made it, put it on this. This was a mirror, but it broke, so I just added that in because I paid a lot of money for it. I didn't want to toss it out. But yeah, the bed and the mirror, it looks so cute. Let's get over here. Sorry guys, but this is a little vanity just for now. Yesterday was her birthday, so I got this for her. She's into makeup now. I got her a little cute mirror. I got this for like 13 bucks on Ali. I think I already said that again, but if you guys are asking, I will post the links below for everything that I purchased if I could. I got these little makeup holders at Primark, like for like $2 or something. I got this picture from a local store for $5. I believe I got these at Target for like $7 a piece, and I think it just goes really, really good with the room. Her mirror, it's not, the light's not on it. Well, it's on it, but it's not on right now. And this, I love. I bought these. I don't know how to zoom in. Oh, guess not. I bought this at, oh, I do know how to zoom in. What am I doing? These flowers at Dollar Tree. It's like 5 flowers in there plus the jar. Her Bible, some stuff, a flower, and I love this it's just a glass stand. Someone is calling me. But I love how her room came out. So I'm going to post the details and links to everything below, including the mirror, the lights, the bedroom set, all that good stuff. Bye. Okay, Yanni. Come on.
Where?
Open your room.
No. Yeah. Yay.
You like it?
Yeah. I like this. What happened to the frog?
You like it? We did it over.
Yeah. What's that?
So Vanity, you do your makeup. Be careful.
I'm sleeping in it.
Sleeping in here tonight?
Yeah. Red, you forgot to take that.
Yeah, take it off. Are there clothes in here?
Nope. I like this one.
Don't touch it.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.